Find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix. A is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 and 2. Okay, so first step will be characteristic equation is determinant A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay, so that is equal to A minus lambda I means 2 minus lambda minus 1, 1, 1, 2 minus lambda minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus lambda equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation we will get from this determinant. Okay, so while opening this determinant, so lambda cube minus, if you use the formula directly, lambda cube minus sum of diagonal elements into lambda square, then plus sum of cofactors of diagonal elements into lambda minus determinant of A equal to 0. That is a simple easy formula to do. Okay, now this one I am going to do with the other direct method just for your practice. So you can check which is easier, this one is easier or that formula is easier, so you can select one of them. So this I am going to do with the direct opening of direct operation on the determinant. So 2 minus lambda into, leaving that first row, first column. What will come is here 2 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. I hope you know how to open this one. So here what we do is 2 minus lambda into, we will remove this row and this column and you will take only this. Okay, we will take only this. So 2 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 1 into minus 1. So that is what we are going to do here. Then, so minus here, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So it is minus 1 here. So first term is over. So first term A11 into minor of this, then minus second term minus 1 into, then leaving that column and that row, leaving the row of minus 1 and leaving the column of minus 1, that is leaving A12 and this is A12. A12 means leaving the row of A12 and column of A12. Okay, so leaving that you will get 1 into 2 minus lambda, that means 2 minus lambda minus, here minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1 means minus 1 into 1 is minus of 1. Okay, minus 1 into 1, so that is minus 1. Plus, so when you open the determinant, first plus, then minus, then plus. So plus third term, 1 into, what will come? Leave that row and that column. So leaving this first row and third column, 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1 minus 2 minus lambda into 1. So it will be 2 minus lambda equal to 0. Okay, this is a direct opening or direct operation on determinant. So now that is equal to 2 minus lambda into, now open this 2 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. When you open this one, it is 4 minus 2 lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda square. Just opening the brackets, minus 1 minus, here minus minus plus, here 2 minus lambda plus 1. Okay, you need not write this in this elaborated way. You can do it shortly. Means 2 plus 1 is 3 and all. You can write directly. For your information, I am writing this. So here it is minus 1 minus 2 plus lambda equal to 0. So this is 2 minus lambda into, opening this again, simplifying this one, lambda square minus 2 is minus 4 lambda, then 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, plus here it is 2 minus lambda plus 1 means 3 minus lambda, plus here it is lambda minus 3 equal to 0. So that is, now again simplifying that one, you will get here 2 minus lambda. Again we need to open this bracket. Okay, otherwise we can, this is this term lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 is, in other words, this is lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 1. So you can write in that way and then you can simplify. Otherwise again you need to open that up. Okay, so that depends on the remaining terms. So suppose I am going to write here. So one way is you will multiply this each term. 2 into lambda square, then 2 into 4 lambda, 2 into 3. That is one way. Otherwise, we can simplify this one, factorize this one, and then again we can go forward. Okay, so whatever it is, you can select that. So 2 lambda square, now I am multiplying this one. 2 lambda square minus 2 fours are 8 lambda, then 2 into 3, 6, then lambda into lambda square, lambda cube, then minus lambda into minus 4 lambda is plus 4 lambda square, then minus 3 minus lambda into 3 is minus 3 lambda. Okay, so first term by term multiplication we did 2 lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 6 minus lambda cube plus 4 lambda square minus 3 lambda, then plus this 3 minus lambda plus lambda minus 3. You can simplify it. So now you can see here lambda cube term. So lambda cube, then this is 2 lambda square plus 4 lambda square. So it is 6 lambda square, 2 lambda, so plus 6 lambda square, then here it is minus lambda plus lambda cancel, then minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 lambda, then plus 6 plus 3 minus 3, 3 cancel, plus 6 equal to 0. We are getting this term. Okay. So it is. Now we need to simplify this one. We need to simplify means we need to get the answer for lambda. Lambda equal to what are the values, eigenvalues we need to get. So here it is minus lambda cube plus 6 lambda square. So now throughout, taking it throughout, negative multiplying throughout by negative. So lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 6 equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. So from this you will get lambda is equal to, simplifying this one, 1, 2, 3. I think we had solved this problem earlier for getting lambda values. So lambda equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So these are the eigenvalues. Now we need to get the eigenvectors corresponding to this 1, 2 and 3. So firstly we will write first case for lambda equal to 1. For lambda equal to 1, let a minus lambda 1 into I, say x or x1 equal to 0 be the eigenvector. Means x is the eigenvector. Okay, be the eigenvector. We are going to find the eigenvector now. Okay, then therefore what you have to do is from the first one, means from this matrix you need to subtract lambda from the diagonal, lambda equal to 1 from this diagonal elements. Okay, so that you will get, the matrix will be, we are subtracting 1 from the diagonal elements. So it is 1 minus 1, 1, then 1, 1 minus 1. Please check the sign, okay, and correct me if I am wrong somewhere. 1. So this is lambda equal to 1, we subtracted from each of the diagonal elements. So 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1, 1 we got. So again, as we discussed yesterday, we will find the rank of this one equal to 0, 0, 0. Then to get the rank of this one, what we do is we will change this into echelon form. So first of all, I will convert this R2 or R3. Both you can do. So R2 changes to say R2 minus R1. I can do that. And R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Both we can do. Okay, so 1 minus 1, 1 first time, first row, and then second row R2 changes to R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Here 1 minus minus 1 becomes 1 plus 1, 2. Here minus 1 becomes minus 2. And R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So 0, 0, 0. Okay, of x1, x2, x3. and here equal to 0. So that is there. So now this is equal to, so last rows zeros you got, and this one is 0. 1 is 0 means it's always better to get this one element 0 in the second row. Okay, because then the simplification will be easier for you. So here now the rank is equal to 2 and number of unknowns is 3. So there are n minus r means 3 minus 2, that is one independent solution will be there. Okay, one linearly independent solution will be there. So for that one, what I am going to do is, so as we discussed yesterday, x1, x2, x3 is there. Any one of these can be given as an arbitrary constant. Say let x3 is equal to t, we are putting x3 equal to t. Okay, so from this one, from here equation I am going to write from the second row. From second row, 0x1 plus 2x2 minus 2x3 equal to 0. And from the first row, from the first row we have x1 minus x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Okay, so now from here 2x2 equal to 2x3. So we have taken x3 equal to 2. X3 equal to t. So this is 2x2 equal to 2x3, or from here you will get x2 equal to x3. So x3 is already t. x3 is t, therefore x2 is also t. Okay, because x3 equal to t, we have taken x3 equal to t, therefore x2 equal to x3 and x3 is t, so x2 is also t. Now from here you will get x1 is equal to x2 minus x3. x1 is x2 minus x3, taking to the right side. So x2 is t, x3 is t, t minus t is 0. So that is the value. Okay, therefore vector x is equal to, corresponding eigenvector is x1, x2, x3, which is equal to x1. x1 means we got it as 0. x1 is 0, x2 is t and x3 is also t, or in short we can write this as 0, 1, 1 and t. So the corresponding eigenvector is 0, 1, 1 or the transpose of this. It can be 0, 1, row matrix 0, 1, 1 also. Okay, so this is the eigenvector. So this is for lambda equal to 1. Similarly, second case for lambda equal to 2. For lambda equal to 2, again what we do is from the first matrix, means from here we are subtracting lambda equal to 2 from this diagonal elements. Okay, so let's do that. Lambda equal to 2 I am doing, then let a minus lambda 2 into I of say x or x1, x2, whatever you need you can put it here, no problem in that, be the eigenvector. Okay, x here, this is the eigenvector. Then matrix will be 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 0, minus 1 and 1 minus 1 0. What we are doing is from the given matrix we are subtracting lambda equal to 2 from the diagonal elements, okay, of x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. Now again here we are going to simplify this one, means here in fact you need not find the rank and all, because in every row you can see one term is 0 there. Okay, so if at all you need to find the rank, you can. Suppose I am going to make this 0. If I am going to make this 0, then R2 or R3 you have to do some simplification, but again this all rows will contain one non-zero element. Okay, so here what we are going to do is I am just writing directly. I am going to write this one from the first row. x1 x0 x1 minus x2 plus x3 equal to 0. Then second row x1 minus x3 equal to 0, and third row x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Now here again we need to find this x1, x2, x3. Okay, so here I am putting x3 equal to say t. Putting x3 equal to t, then from this one, from here x2 equal to x3, therefore x2 is also t. Similarly, from here x1 equal to x2, that means x1 is also t. Therefore, the vector x is equal to x1, x2, x3 means t, 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 or that is 1, 1, 1 of t, or the corresponding eigenvector is 1, 1 and 1. Okay. Similarly, we need to get that for lambda equal to 3. For lambda equal to 3, let a minus lambda I into lambda 3 into I of x is equal to 0. So, be the eigenvector. Then again, lambda equal to 3, you will subtract from the given matrix and you will get the matrix as minus 1, minus 1, 1, then 1, minus 1, minus 1, and 1, minus 1, minus 1. x1, x2, x3. Here clearly it is very obvious that the rank is 2, because see, 2 rows are same only there. These 2 rows are same. So R3 changes to R3 minus R2. If we do, then 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0 0 0. Then x1, x2, x3. Okay, equal to 0 0 0. Then again we'll try to make the 0. So here R2 changes to R2 plus R3. See, this transformation you can do in any way. I have done R2 changes to R2 plus R3. You can do something different. The only thing is that it should be between the rows only. Okay. So R2 plus R3, and moreover that you can simplify. Sorry, not R2 plus R3, R2 plus R1. Okay, so that is minus 1, minus 1, 1, R2 plus R1, this becomes 0, this is minus 2 and this is 0, 0, 0, 0, okay, of x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. Now again by the same argument you can find it out here, values of x1, x2, x3, and you will get the vector as 1, 0, 1. Okay, I will write that. So, characteristic equation is determinant a minus lambda I equal to 0. On simplification, you will get the equation as lambda cube minus 7 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 5 equal to 0. Hope many of you got this. Okay, then on simplifying this one, you will get lambda equal to 115. In the calculator, you will get only two values, 1 and 5. Okay, because this one is repeating. And how will you understand that there are three roots? Because this equation, this is a third degree equation. Okay, so a third degree equation will have three roots. So the roots are 1, 1 and 5. Here see 1 and 1, that is repeating, repeated roots. So this is case 2, type 2. Type 2 problem, that is when the eigenvalues are repeated. So here also process is same only. We will solve when lambda is equal to say 5. Lambda is equal to 5 means which is non-repeated. I am doing that first. When lambda equal to 5, let the eigenvector be, or let the eigenvector satisfy the equation a minus lambda 1 into I of x is equal to 0, where x is column matrix x1, x2, x3. Okay, so here also first what we will do is from the diagonal elements you will be subtracting 5. Therefore, you will get this it is 2 minus, from the diagonal elements you are subtracting 5. So 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5, that means minus 3, then 2, 1, then 1, again 3 minus 5, minus 2, 1, 1, 2, minus 3 of x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0, right? So that is the matrix vector. Now we will simplify this one. So I'll reduce it to echelon form. R3 changes to R3 minus a R2, or to make this first term, as 1, we can do that also. Let's do that. Then simplification will be a bit easier. R3 and R1 I am interchanging. Okay, so R3, R1, when we interchange this one, this is to reduce the difficulty level, that only. 1, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 2, 1, and this is 3 minus 3, 2, 1. And x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay, R1 and R3, they are interchanged. Now, R2 changes to R2 minus R1, we will do. And again R3 changes to R3 plus 3R1. We will do these two transformation in a step. So that is 1, 2 minus 3. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Then R3 changes to R3 plus 3R1. So minus 3 here plus 3 becomes 0. Then here 2. R3 is 2. 2 plus 3 times R1. Minus 3, 2. So it is 2 plus 3 times it is 8. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8, and R this one. 1 plus minus 3 into 3. So 1 minus 9, that means minus 8. x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay. So now you can do something with the second and third row. So they are here 4, here 8, here 4, here 8. So what I will do here is R3 changes to R3 plus 2R2. So 1, 2 minus 3, 0 minus 4, 4, then 0, 8 plus 8, minus 8. So it is 0. Here it is minus 8 plus 8. Okay. So R3, this is 8 plus 2 into minus 4. So 8 minus 8 will come 0. And here it is minus 8 plus 2 into 4. So plus 8 again it is 0. And x1, x2, x3. So that is equal to 0, 0, 0. Now simplify this a little bit more and then you will get the answer. Okay, so if you need, we can put here again R2 changes to R2 divided by 4. So that also we can do here. Then else here itself we can stop also here. So here the rank is 2, n is 3. So for one variable you can give some value. So it is, I am giving x3 is equal to, therefore put say x3 equal to t. Then from here, from this one, matrix what you are going to get is 0x1 minus 4x2 plus 4x3 equal to 0. So from here you will get 4x2 equal to 4x3 or x2 equal to x3. That means x2 is also t. Okay. Now from here first equation, x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 equal to 0, that means x1 equal to 3x3 minus 2x2. Taking to the right side. So it is 3t minus 2t, that is t again. Okay, so all the three values, therefore x is equal to x1, x2, x3, t, or that is 1, 1, 1, t. So the required eigenvector is 1, 1, 1, or you can write transpose of 1, 1, 1. Both are right. Okay, so this is the first one. Now second case, when the roots are repeated, you will do it for one time only. So when lambda is equal to 1, when lambda equal to 1, the roots are repeated. So let a minus lambda I into lambda 1 into I of x is equal to 0 be the eigenvector. Then we are subtracting 1 from the diagonal elements and we are getting it as 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, all the three. Can someone say what the rank will be without solving? What the rank will be here? R2 changes to all the three are same. R2 minus R1. Yeah, rank will be 1. And R3 also changes to R3 minus R1. Okay. So R3 minus R1. So that is 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. And again 0, 0, 0 of x1, x2, x3. 0, 0, 0. So now here the rank is, therefore rank is 1, n is 3. Therefore you can give n minus r, means 3 minus 1 equal to 2 variables can be given some arbitrary constants. Okay, there will be two linearly independent, this means that only n minus r is 3 minus 1 equal to 2 means there will be two linearly independent solutions. So here, so only one equation you are getting from here. From here you are getting only one equation, that is x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 equal to 0. If you multiply this one, you may see that x1 0, x2 0, x3 0. Okay, so do not do that one. That is why we do this rank method. So only one equation you are getting. Here I am going to give, say, x3 equal to say t1 and x2 equal to say t2. Okay, so you can give any two values for x1 and x2. Therefore, from there x1 is equal to minus 2x2 minus x3, or that is equal to minus 2x2, x2 is t2 minus x3 is t1. So this is x1. Therefore, the vector is x1, x2, x3, which is equal to x1 2t2 minus t1. Okay, I am just writing t1 first here. So it is, I am writing minus t1 minus 2t2. Okay, then x2 we have t2 and x3 is t1. Okay, now what we have to do here is, this is equal to minus t1 minus 2t2. Here there is no t1. So I will write here 0 t1 plus t2. Okay, and here there is no t2. So what I will do here, I will write here t1 plus 0 t2. Then next step is, I will separate this as t1 and t2. So one of t1 and other of t2. So minus t1 here, 0 t1 here, and here t1. And here minus 2t2, 1t2 and 0t2. Or in short, what we can do here is, I will take t1 common from this, minus 1, 0, 1 of t1 plus minus 2, 1, 0 of t2. Therefore, means we have done this only once, lambda equal to 1. For lambda equal to 1, we have solved this only once and you got both the vectors. Therefore, the required eigenvectors are which one? minus 1 0 1 and 2 1 0. Okay, now here one thing you need to remember is that these vectors what you got here, minus 1 0 1 and 2 1 0, it can be in different order. Different order means suppose someone is doing, they may get the answer as 0 1 2 like this. Instead of 2 1 0, they may get a 0 1 2, then also it is right. That depends on what, that depends on these values. Means here if someone is giving x1 and x2, this t1 t2, then they may get the answer in a different order. This order may be up and down, this. Okay, then also it is right.